Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to learn that what is the difference between change of character and inducement, because both are looking same, and how we can identify them and what criteria you should follow before to confirm change of character and inducement, because some people confuse to identification idiom and change of character. Same idiom convert into change of character and same change of character convert into idiom. A lot of people are confused to identifying difference between change of character and inducement. So in this video I will show you exactly in an easy to understand way. Let's understand by diagrams inducement and CHoCH. So this is our bullish structure. As you can see here, market momentum is a bullish and looking for the continuation, market continue going high. As you know, to confirm any break of structure, market must be taken out the inducement to confirm higher high, and once market break the previous major high and close above it, this one is a called break of structure, which one is here. And this point is a called our higher high because market momentum is a bullish, and when this higher low confirm, even market break the previous major high and close above it, so this become our valid break of structure. And why this higher high is a confirm here? Look at the left side, because market taken out the inducement, market momentum is a bullish. In a bullish market, market taken out the previous recent high. In a bullish structure, when market taken out the previous recent low, which act like a inducement, and this must be complete a valid inducement, right? So once market taken out this inducement, and this one is a called proper inducement is here, and then what happen? Break this one, and sometime this can be closed, sometime liquidity taken out, doesn't matter. In both scenario, both are valid in terms of the inducement. Again, what happened? Break of the structure is here, and after break of the structure, you have to wait for taking out the inducement. So in this case, where is inducement? Look at this price action is here. Market continue going higher high, right? Then what happen here? If market push downside and break this one, so this one is our inducement, but market not taken out this one and market create new high, which one is here. Technically this is our single leg, but you have to identify a minor pullback in this leg, because this one is our break of structure. To confirm a break of structure, price must be close above it. So finally what happened here? At this point market push downside and then taken out this one, and market can be go more little bit downside, and this is our inducement, right? So once market taken out the inducement, our higher high confirm here, which one is here. You have to always wait for to taken out the inducement always the left side, which side market break the structure in this case. And some people trying to mark this is our inducement and this one is an inducement. No, right side is not inducement. You have to wait for to break out the structure. So inducement also will be create here in a left side. So you have to wait for taken out the inducement to confirm this higher high, which one is here. If what happen, if market continue go here higher high, something like this, so where is inducement? Your inducement transfer here to here, right? Because our first pullback is always called inducement. And after that what happened here? Market continue go here higher high and break previous high, and once market break the previous high and close over it, right? So once market close over it, this one is called our higher low, which one is here. It means market momentum is a bullish and continue looking for the buy. And again what happened here right now? If you can see in this picture, where is inducement? Inducement means first pullback, which one is here. In case if market not taken out this inducement, something like this, and continue going higher high, so where is inducement? Our inducement will be first pullback, which one is here, right? So this is our inducement until taken out the previous recent low. So this is our inducement. What happen if market tap on your 15-minute or any other higher time frame supply zone, which one is here? Okay, so what happened here? Where is inducement and where is CHoCH? In this case, this low is our inducement technically, right? But when price tap on your supply zone, this inducement convert into change of character, and this low known as a change of character, because this one is our first indication that if market break this low, we are looking for the sell, and this is our first indication for the reversal. So you have to wait for it to break this change of character, and in this case to break this one, this is our change of character. In this case market can be sweep and market can be close below it, it doesn't matter. In a both scenario, this is a valid change of character as per your entry plan, right? So what happened here? Market break this low, and when we can sell here? In this case, we can sell above this one, and this high act like an inducement, and this process will be applicable on when price tap on PUI, not here, okay? Because this one is our actual structure, and this one is our when price tap on your PY zone, right? So first of all, look at this one, price push downside. Sometime market sharply break the previous low, something like this, and wait for to create inducement, something like this, And then what happened here? When we can sell after break this one and maybe close and maybe sweep, it doesn't matter, and then definitely you can sell here. And why this move happen here? Because market tap on your higher time frame POI, which one is here, and sometime this is a order block, and sometime this one can be your previous major high sweep, and it doesn't matter. And this can be your any POI right here, okay? And this can be your session high or low, this can be a previous structure high or low, and this can be your order block, which is extreme order block, right? So it doesn't matter. And sometimes this one is our after taking out the inducement in a higher time frame, something like this. Let me show you exactly like this, okay? So this is our actual inducement, and this one is your POI price tap here, and you can sell here something like this. So this one is our first low, is our change of character right now. Okay, so this is happening in a lower time frame. What happen if price continue going higher high in a bullish market? So where is our change of character in this case? So in this case, you have to mark actual high or low if there is no POI upper side or downside. So where is our change of character? Our change of character is here, because this one is our actual structure, which one is here. If market break this one and close below it, so this one is a called valid change of character. So you have to wait for it. First of all, this one is our inducement, which one is here, as you know, because first pullback is here. This one is a called inducement, and after taking out the inducement, probably you are looking here for buy, and the next possible buy, which one we can buy here just below it after taking out the extreme liquidity, or you can say engineering liquidity, whatever you call it. In this case, if price continue push downside, so this one is our inducement, not a change of character. But if price tap on your supply zone, right, so this become our change of character. Okay, so what happened here? Continue market pushing downside and maybe continue go higher, right, but unable to hold this level and break the previous major low and close below it. So this become also change of character is here. So these two scenario is only applicable change of character. First one, when price tap on POI zone, first high low break the market, that's called change of character. And second one, when market break the previous major high low, I'm talking about the structure confirmation. So when market break this one and close below it, so this become our valid change of character in bullish market. And same thing will be applicable in a bearish market. If I invert this chart, you can understand something like this. Okay, so you can understand same thing happen here in a bearish market. Inducement taken out, push downside, taken out the inducement, lower low confirm, lower high again, and same process will be continue in a bullish market and bearish market everywhere. So let's understand on a real chart, then you can understand very easily. So this is our USD chart in a 5-minute time frame, and this is a live market, as you know. So what happening here and how we can identify structure in this case? So first of all, you have to mark the structure bottom to top in a bullish market. If market momentum is a bearish, then you have to start from top to bottom, right? So in this case, you can see this one is our lowest point is here. Okay, so where is our highest point is here. Why I'm marking this one as a higher high? Because market taking out the inducement in this leg. Where is our first pullback after this one? So this one is our inducement at this point. After taking out the inducement, our higher high confirm here. And what happened here? Where is our break of structure? Where is our higher low? And this is a just explanation that how you can identify inducement break of structure. Okay, when market break the previous recent high, which one is here? I'm talking about major high. If market close avoid, so this become our valid break of structure is here. And where is our higher low? Our higher low is a lowest point in this leg after this break of structure. So what happened here? This is our lowest point and this become our higher low. And some people mark the recent low, which one is here? This is a higher low, and someone mark this one. No, these are not higher low. Higher low means deepest point in this leg. Okay, so this one is our higher low and you have to wait for it. So finally market break the previous high and close of it. When market close of it, it means you can also mark higher high when market taking out the pullback. So in this case, you can see here how many pullbacks are valid in this case. So first of all, look at this one. This is our first pullback. Okay, next pullback is here, and where is our third pullback? This one, very small pullback is here. Okay, and if you don't know exactly that how we can identify valid pullback, you can watch previous video. I already explained in details that how you can actually identify valid pullback. When market taken out the previous candle high or low, that's called a valid pullback. So in this case, this candle taken out the previous candle low, it means this is our valid pullback. So we can consider this one is our higher high. Why? Because market taken out the inducement at this point, which one is here. And always remember one thing, inducement always the left side, which side market break the structure, not this side. And some people mark this is a inducement and this is inducement. These are not inducement. Inducement only this side because market broken structure left side. And after taking out the inducement, our higher high confirm here, and now you have to wait for it to break the previous high, which one is here. If market break the previous high at this point and close above it, so once market close above it, our higher high, our higher low is a confirm here, right? So where is our higher low in this case? You can see these three low are looks equal. Okay, so we can tap any one point. Maybe you can tap this one and this one and this one also, because three low are equal. So I'm just marking this one. Okay, so this one is our higher low, market break the structure, and now you have to wait for it to create. Now you have to wait for to create inducement in this leg. Where is our pullback? Only one pullback is here. So first pullback is always inducement. So where is inducement? This one. Okay, on market taken out this inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, where is our higher high? This one, because this one is our highest point in this case. After taking out the inducement, market continue looking for the upside. So right now, where is our CHoCH? Okay, so CHoCH means if market tap on your supply zone, this move tap on your supply zone anywhere in a left side, then this inducement convert into CHoCH, and we are looking here for sell, and this is a not inducement because market tap on your PY zone. If not tap on your PY zone and market continue going higher high, then this one is our inducement. Okay, so this one is our first scenario when we can identify CHoCH and inducement. And second possible scenario is here. So what is the next step and where is our next CHoCH? If market is a bullish and everything is a continuation, no PY, is there no order block tap on a left side or anywhere? So where is our next CHoCH? Next CHoCH means if market break the previous major low, which one is here, and close below it, right? So if price close below it, so this one is a called change of character also. It means market momentum is a bullish and now looking for the reversal to the downside. And this one is our change of character because this one is our first indication market broke the actual structure is here. Only two cases change of character is applicable. First one, when price tap on your PY zone. So first high or low is called our change of character in a bullish market. If market break the major low and major high, which one is also called change of character in a bearish market and bullish market. If I invert this chart, look at this one, you can understand something like this. So this one is our bearish structure, okay, for example, and this one is our bullish. It means this is our demand zone, right, and price tap here. So where is our CHoCH? So this inducement convert into CHoCH, okay, and something like this. So this one is our CHoCH, and to confirm this CHoCH in this case, when price tap on a PY, market not need to close above it, and sometime this one is a sweep like this. So this one is a valid, but to confirm this actual CHoCH, which one is here in terms of the structure, price must be close above it, right? So this can be our valid change of character. But if price tap on PY zone, then you don't need to wait for candle closer to confirm a valid CHoCH. And this is a not inducement because price already tap here, and now we are looking here for buy, and this can be your change of character. And after change of character, you have to wait for taking out the lower time frame inducement, and then definitely you can buy here. So price break here, and where is our pullback? This one. But market not break this one and create new pullback is here. So after taking out this inducement is here, like this previous high broken. Where is our pullback? Actual pullback is here, and this one is also pullback, but I'm counting this one because this is our entire move, something like this. So market taken out this inducement, and we can buy here to find unmitigated POI, to find unmitigated order block, and then you can buy in bullish market. So this is just explanation that how you can identify. So I hope you understand that how you can identify inducement and change of character, and which criteria you should follow to confirm inducement, to confirm change of character. And this video definitely help you to understanding making the higher high, marking the higher low, to confirm break of structure, everything. Alright, so now I'm going to show you exactly when price tap on PUI, when price market break the previous high or low, and then what happening in a lower time frame, where is our CHoCH and inducement during entry time. So let's see, let me show you exactly. So this is our just example that how you can trade in a lower time frame to identify CHoCH and inducement. This is a not a, so look at this price action is here. You can see here, this is our previous high, and this one high taken out the previous high. So what happened if market taken out the previous high? This is a not a valid entry is here. Why? Until taken out the previous candle sweep. Okay, so you have to wait for it. For example here, if market taken out the previous high, which one is here, and sweep by minor move, okay, which level this candlestick is a valid for the sell, because this candle act like a single candle order block is here, because this is our liquidity candle which is taken out the liquidity. You can say IFC also, institutional funding candle, because this candle taken out the all money is here and in close below it. So this bearish candle indication that we can take risk here for the sell if anything create in a lower time frame for the sell. Okay, and same thing will be applicable when market tap on your unmitigated order block and then gives you a small reduction in a lower time frame, then definitely you can take entry for the buy and sell. Same scenario will be applicable here if market taken out the previous session high or low. Okay, if market taken out the structure high or low, in a both scenario, in every scenario you have to switch in a 1 minute time frame to find lower time frame entry in 1 minute. So let's see what happening here in a 1 minute. So first of all, let me show you through bar play, then you can understand very easily. So this is indication, actually previous high taken out and candle close below it. If market create anything here in a lower time frame, then we can take entry. If not create here in a 1 minute, then don't try to sell here. In next attempt, market can be go higher and close above it, right? So don't try to sell here immediately. You have to wait for lower time frame confirmation, CHoCH and bounce and inducement and flip. There are different type of entry module, but let me show you exactly that how you can entry find in a 1 minute time frame. So this was our previous measure high and taken out by this shadow, right? And in this case you have to identify where is our first pullback in this case. So a lot of people mark wrong inducement, some people mark wrong CHoCH, and they mark this is our CHoCH, which one is here. Okay, and they mark this is a small pullback is here, they mark this is a CHoCH and sell here on this order block, which is not valid here. If you are directly buying and selling directly without inducement, without confirmation, without valid CHoCH, then very highly chances your stop loss can hit and you are become part of SMT. So what happened here, you can see here this one is our first pullback in this map, and this one is called our CHoCH. If price break this low, okay, I'm not talking about to candle closer, if price simply break this low, this one become our valid CHoCH. Why? Because price already tap on your POI, already taken out the liquidity, and you can sell here in a lower time frame after CHoCH confirmation, right? And this one is our first indication. And second indicator, if you can see here at this point, this order block is here, okay, at this point, right? So this one is our order block and tap here and giving a small reaction. It means this one is also flip anti model also applicable here, CHoCH and flip. If market break this low, so this anti model called CHoCH. If market break this one, so this one is called CHoCH with flip entry module. So let's see what happened next here, and don't try to sell here at this point, because some people sell here immediate at this point, and this one is called SMT, smart money trap, and this one is here. Okay, so don't try to sell here at this point, and this one is a pure SMT. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, so finally what happened here, market break this low, and this one momentum gives a small momentum to the upside, and also some flip anti-model traders looking here for the sell, which level they also looking here again at this point. Let me show you exactly at this point, because this one is our extreme order block in this case, because market momentum gives you move something like this, because everyone anticipating this is our flip, because market create here and pushing downside. Okay, again if price tap on this supply zone, this demand convert into supply and they are looking for sell. As I mentioned in every video, during entry and everywhere, most of the time I always said, without inducement, without liquidity sweep, don't try to sell. If you are selling without inducement, without liquidity sweep, it means you are part of the liquid, not retail liquidity, you are part of SMT, smart money trap, right? So don't try to sell here until taken out this high, because this is clear SMT. Everyone looking here for sell based on the flip, based on the CHoCH entry. Okay, so you don't need to sell here. When we can sell here in this case, you have to wait for taking out this inducement, which one is here, because this high act like our inducement at this point. Why? Because this one is our first pullback after break this one, and this one is called change of character. This is a not inducement, this is a bullish structure, but this is a not inducement. Why? Because market tap on your POI zone, correct? So let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, so finally what happened here, market taken out this inducement is here. So when we can sell here in this scenario, you can see here where is our unmitigated order block. If there is any unmitigated order block, then you can sell on this one. First of all, this one. Okay, so this one is our unmitigated order block, and you can sell first entry at this point. And second entry, when we can expect in this scenario, if we can also sell here if market fill this imbalance based on it, Okay, so this one, right? So in this scenario we can sell here. So this one is the inducement and this one is our engineering liquidity, and we know already that if market taken out the extreme engineering liquidity, then definitely we are looking for the buy or sell. This one become our high probability entry. Definitely you can take first entry based on the fair value gap, which one is here. Okay, immediate sell here, and but you have to put a stop loss just above it, because market can be go higher to mitigate this unmitigated order block, which one is here, right? Let me change the color first. Okay, but if you don't like to sell here, okay, so you can sell on the next candle close, which one is here. But sometime you are afraid to sell here, like you are looking for sell based on fair value gap and you are looking for a sell on this order block. Okay, but if you put the stop loss is here just above it and sell limit is here, and where is your target? Your target is here, at least this first low, which one is here, is a 15-minute measure low, and this one is our target. Okay, so this one become our first entry. And second entry, when we can take entry in this case, if market taken out the extreme high, which one is here, and candle close below it, you can immediate sell here on the next candle open, which one is here. Okay, and put the stop loss just above it, because this is our safe stop loss. If you are trying to put a stop loss just above it, so this can be our risky, because this extreme order block are unmitigated, right? So you have to wait for it. So let's see what happened next here. And this one is our first entry. But if you are willing to sell directly based on the fair value gap, so immediately you can sell here after taking out this one, because this imbalance fill here. So let's see what happened next here. And one more thing you have to remember, order block is a not SMC. Order block just refined version when we are looking for the buy or sell. First one is because order block is a part of the order flow. Order flow is important, and in this case order flow is already mitigated. So most of the time you will see that your order block is not tapped, but market continue go higher high and continue go lower low. You have to take decision based on your inducement. You have to take decision based on your liquidity. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right, finally again market break this low, and after break this low, you can see here where is our pullback. In this case you don't need to wait for candle closure or anything, just you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. Where is pullback? This one, because market create pullback something like this. So if market taken out this pullback, definitely we are looking for sell. So in this leg, where is our inducement? Inducement is here, right? Because this one is our first pullback right now, and maybe market can create more move to the downside to create new inducement. So at the current price action, this one is our inducement, and where is our unmitigated order block in this case? So this one is our unmitigated order block right now. Okay, and where is our next unmitigated order block or supply is a possible? Look at this picture is here, this one, right? Why this is unmitigated? Because this shadow is not mitigated by this move, but this order block is mitigated. So why we are using this one? In future, if market tap here, then definitely you can sell here, right? And first PY is here and second one is here. So you have to wait for it, and some people get confused then which level you should sell here. Okay, so you can take additional confirmation as per your single candle order block. If price tap here, for example, and gives you any single candle order block confirmation, something like this, then you can take decision here for sell. If not create here, then you have to wait for it to tap unmitigated this extreme order block, and here directly you can sell here, because this one is our extreme. But if you want a more additional confirmation, then you can take a decision to wait single candle order block before the enter. Okay, so let's see what happened next here in this case. Okay, market taken out the inducement. All right, so you can say here market tap here, but not create any type of single candle order block. Market continue going higher high. So in this case, you can take another entry is here and put the stop loss just high above it, and target are similar, because the previous measure low, which one is here, right? So this one is a first entry, and this one is a direct entry. You can say risk entry, whatever you called it. And next possible entry, if you are afraid to sell here directly because market momentum looks very bullish, so you can wait for it to single candle order block before the enter. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, so now you can see market start giving small reaction. You can sell here, but put the stop loss just above it. Okay, for the safer side, and because above it is there no unmitigated, everything is mitigated here. All right, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, enter, and if you willing, the first entry is a miss, then you can take another entry is here based on the single candle order block, which one is here, because third candle mitigate the first candle order block is here, something like this. This one is our next entry is here, and put the stop loss, just avoid for the safer side. Okay, and target are same, which one is here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. All right, so finally market hit our target at this point, as you can see here. So why this move happened here, you can see you have to wait for to mitigate your supply zone, wait for CHoCH and pause, then you can take another entry. And in this case, all entry applicable here. That's why this is looks very complicated. You can watch this video multiple times, this portion, then you can understand very easily, because it's very important, because this is part when we are take a decision for the buy and sell. This is an important part. In this case, flip entry module also applicable, CHoCH entry module also applicable, boss entry also applicable, order block, single candle order block, everything include here. That's why I take this example, because everything will be clear in a one example right now. So you have to remember only one thing: when price step on your POI zone, then first high low break, that's called change of character, not inducement. Inducement only we use when we are to confirm higher high or lower low to confirm structure, and the next inducement we are looking for the buy and sell only. In this case, we are taking this inducement, because this is our structure, this is our internal structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So that's why we are marking this structure. This is an internal structure. Okay, so I hope you understand what is a inducement and what is CHoCH, and how you can take entry in a lower time frame, and how you can mark the structure in higher time frame. If you are new, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel, link in description. Go and check out, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.